Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is how to employ close quarter kicking in your two-arm Chi Sao. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day. From Lux Sao Roll. As I rotate to the down position, I rotate my Tan Sao hand under his Fu Sao hand, press him back, deliver a front kick, trap the lead hand, palm strike to the chin, check the elbow, palm strike to the chin to finish. From Lux Sao Roll, as I apply the press with the front kick, my opponent steps back and blocks my front kick with the double Gum Sao. I trap on top of his hand and punch, check the elbow, palm strike to chin to finish. From the Lux Sao Roll, a variation to the kick is this time I rotate my Tan Sao hand on top and apply a double Jut Sao with a sidestep. Play a low round kick inside to the thigh, check and punch to the face to complete the action. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.